Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the regulator-to-solenoid gas supply tube in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Detach the regulator cover plate. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nuts to release the old tubing from the regulator and the shut-off solenoid. Install the new gas supply tubing by inserting the longer end into the shut-off solenoid. Then hand thread the nut. Insert the shorter end into the regulator and thread the nut. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten the nuts, but be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening. Realign the regulator cover plate. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.